Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to fix freezing or lagging issue in college football 25. So in order to fix this issue, the first thing that you need to do is to simply refresh your internet connection. In order to refresh it, you just have to simply click on this Wi-Fi network in your Windows laptop. Here you just have to simply click on the airplane mode and then you just have to wait for 5 seconds. Then you just have to click on this airplane mode again in order to turn it off. After that, you just have to simply connect yourself with your network, and what this step will do is it will refresh your internet connection. This step is necessary because sometimes when our internet connection is not working properly, we might face the lagging or the freezing issue in the EA sports game. Now the second thing that you can do is you can simply just come out of your game and then you can try to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows tab over here. Now click on this power button. Now from here you just have to simply restart your PC and then you just have to try to re-log in into your game. With the help of these two methods, you are definitely going to fix this issue. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.